So in today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the old worn rubber seals on that hardtop tonneau cover. The first step is to compare your old seals with the new ones featured in our steel rubber products catalog. The simple way to do that is to take the profile or the old piece of the seal and compare that profile with those that are pictured in the catalog. By the way, if you're ever unsure whether or not one of these profiles will work for you, Steel Rubber Products offers samples of all of the products that we make. So when we began to look for the replacement seals in our Steel Rubber Products catalog, we were able to immediately find the original part featured here that is on the sides and the back of the hardtop tonneau cover. However, one of the things that we realized very quickly is the original seals did not account for a sizable alignment gap towards the front of the tonneau cover. We were instead able to use a different seal that provided a much better fit and a complete and positive seal. The reason I share this information with you is that you can use this catalog to help you find the seal profile that will provide you with the optimal fit and function for your project. This is important to realize that sometimes the seals that come on your original equipment may not be the best design that's currently available. Step 2. Turn the tonneau cover upside down for easier installation. Begin by removing the old rubber. Use a scraper or tuck tool to remove the large pieces without damaging the surface. We recommend the use of an adhesive remover to ensure a clean surface. Be sure and test a small area first to make sure that the remover is compatible with the actual tonneau cover. Step 3. Begin peeling off the adhesive tape. Firmly press the strip on the surface of the tonneau cover. Continue peeling the back side of the tape as you go. Mitering corners. If you come to a right angle, you may use the mitering technique. Use the corner of a card to draw a right angle on the rubber seal. Luckily, Steel Rubber's free sample pack comes with one. Use a knife or a pair of sharp scissors to carefully cut along the marked lines. Be sure not to cut all the way through the seal though. Cut at a perpendicular angle, ensuring a positive seal. Use our Loctite Super Bonder 495 to glue the ends together, making a right-angled corner. For best results, just place the glue on only one of the sides, then carefully press them together. Continue adhering the seal to the end. Cut the seal at the edge of the cover. Mantling corners. If you come to an angle with two different profiles, you may use the mantling technique. Cut the rubber right up to the connecting piece so that they create a 90-degree angle. Reassemble it back onto the truck. Look at the difference of the finished product. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or you liked it, be sure to like this video and to subscribe to Steel Rubber Products.